Here in this construction of quadrilateral, we have to do with the construction by given three angles and two sides. So here quadrilateral PLAN. So rough figure first we have to do, that is what PLAN. In plan, PL has given 4 centimeter. Now LA has given 6.5 centimeter. Now angle P equals to 90 degree. Angle A equals to 110 degree. Now angle N equals to 85 degree, right? So here all the angles, that means these two angles are not multiple of a 15 or 30, that's why you have to take the help of the protractor. Now this one is 90 degree. So first work is to take the side has given as the base of the quadrilateral. So you can take this one or you can take this one. Here on this base one angle has given, here on this base one angle also has given. So our imaginary line, right? Now you have to take P here, P as the point. If P is here, then you have to construct what? 90 degree. So our compass will touch these sides because our quadrilateral is this side, right side. So angle construction will start from right to left. Now first arc is 60, second arc is 120. Bisecting, then this one will be what? 90. So here this is the 90 degree, right? Now what will happen? Here it is 90 degree. Now this length has not given from P to N, no length has given, so we cannot cut the PN. Now L has given what? P to L, it is 4 centimeter. So with the help of compass we can take, by using this compass and scale, you can take 4 centimeter. So here by putting the point here we can take 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter will come here. Then this one will be what? L. So here 4 centimeter. Whatever measurement we are taking, as soon as we will take the measurement, we have to write that time only. Now here at the L, no angle has given. So we cannot take angle like this or angle like this, angle like this. And we cannot cut 6.5 also. And we cannot get A point also because the measurement has not given. Here also this measurement has not given. So we cannot get the N point also for constructing 85. But we know in this quadrilateral, three angles has given. Can we find the fourth one? This is called angle sum property of the quadrilateral. So sum of the three angles, that is what? 110, 85, 90 is 5, 8, then 285. Complete angle is 360. Out of that 285 is the sum of the three angles. Then remaining fourth angle will be what? 360 minus 285. That is what? 5, 15, 7. Now 75 degree is the this angle. So here we can construct what? 75 degree. So here first you have to construct the angle from this side because our angle is leftwards, because construction will form this way. So my angle will be this side. So first is to construct 60, then this one is 120, in between what? 90. So 90 angle will become this way, this one is 90. Between 60 and 90, 75 degree will come. With the help of compass we have to do. So here bisecting, then 75 will come this one. This is what? 75. Now here this length has given 6.5. After constructing the angle, it is very easy to take 6.5 centimeter. So here by putting compass you can take 6.5, right? And here you have to construct how much? 110 with the help of protractor, and you have to extend this way. This point will be what? Here it is 6.5 and this one is what? A. Now N point is remaining. So this intersection is what? N. After constructing these three angles, this one 110, 75, 90, then this one will be automatic 85 degree. You have to measure by protractor because three angle sum has given already 285, then it will be 75. So here also if these three constructed, then this one will be completely 85 degree. Now we have to construct the parallelogram, that is what? HEAR, parallelogram. H E A R. So here H equal to 5 centimeter, EA equals to 6 centimeter, angle R equals to 85 degree. This much information only has given. We know in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal, opposite angles are also equal. This one is 5, then this one also 5. This one is 6, then this one also 6. If this angle is 85, then this angle also will be 85 degree. And you know, here these two angles sum will be how much? 180 degree, because this H and E both are co-interior angles. These two lines are parallel. This one is transversal, like this. Then these two angles sum will be how much? 180 degree. So here it is 85. Then this one will be how much? 95. 95 degree. With the help of protractor we have to do. So first is our imaginary line. This point is H. You have to construct how much? Cut 5 centimeter. That one will be E. At H you have to construct 95 degree, like this. This one will be 95 degree. You have to cut how much? 6 centimeter. So here 6 centimeter. This one will be what? R. R is 6. And here 85 degree towards like this. 85 degree. You have to cut how much? 6 centimeter also here. And this point is what? A. Now you can join A and R. So this one will be automatic 5 centimeter. H E A R is the given quadrilateral. Now we have to construct some special quadrilateral like square, rectangle, rhombus and all. Here square, read that is RE has given 5.1 centimeter. Let's draw one rough figure of square. This one is square, that is what? READ. RE is given 5.1 centimeter. If RE is given 5.1 centimeter, then all sides will be what? Equal. So I have to write here all sides also. Now in square, all the angles are equal. That means each angle will be how much? 90 degree. So this information is given. That means all 4 sides and 4 angles is given on the square. We have to construct this square now. Now this one is imaginary line RE 5.1. So let's take R here. Then with the help of compass you have to cut how much? 5.1, that is what? E. 5.1 centimeter. At R you have to construct what? 90 degree. So this side 90 degree. At E you have to construct what? 90 degree. Now from R to here you have to cut 5.1, E to here you have to cut 5.1. So 5.1, this side 5.1. This one is A, this one is P. 5.1, here also it is 5.1. Then you have to join these two sides, 2 points. So this is what? Construction of a square. Now here question number 2, that is what? Construct a rhombus whose diagonal is given. Rhombus, let's take this example A, B, C, D. One diagonal is AC, another diagonal is BD. So here let's take AC is given 5.2 and BD has given 6.4. Now this rhombus ABCD, the side has not given or any angle has not given, but we know the property of rhombus. Rhombus says if the two diagonals is given, then the two diagonals are bisecting to each other at right angle. That means they are making half to each other. So here 6.4, then this side is 3.2 and this side is 3.2. 5.1, then this side will be 2.26, this side 2.26. That is what. So here with the help of a compass and scale we will draw. Now take this one is imaginary line, take here A and here C, that is what 5.2, this is 5.2 centimeter, S is 5.2 centimeter. Now here you have to do what? Perpendicular bisector on AC. Offside we will get D, downside we will get B. How to do perpendicular bisector? Here you have to bisect this one to get the point midpoint. So with the help of scale we no need to do this bisector, with the help of compass only you have to do. So first you have to measure the point A to C by putting A one arc up, one arc down. Without changing this length we have to do by putting at C upside one, downside one. So we will get this one, this one, from here putting this one and this one. Now we have to join these two. This point is the midpoint. So here this one we can extend while joining. Now here this point to offside D point will be 3.2. So you have to take by compass, this one is D, 3.2, below 3.2. now this point will be what? B. So we got A, B, C, D. You have to join it now. This is what given quadrilateral.